Fuck this shit work. We got Tints by Jor here, man. We got the ambient light and that shit going on, man. With the buzz ball, man. Take it to the chin, man. If you ain't lit, it ain't lit. Simple as that.
Fire right up, baby. I swear to bro. I'll make my intro, nigga. You see that thing? Damn, when they got you right.
Right. They did get me right. I gotta show the whole interior now. Oh my god. That nigga next. That don't look dumb. Oh my god. YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? We back with another video. So it is currently snowing out, chat. Start getting brazy with some POVs. I'm leaving the place where I got my ambient lighting done at. I'm about to go to the curb right now. We finna give y'all boys a POV with the lights, man. First day. Let me know if y'all boys fucking with that ambient lighting, man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo, don't tell me I wasn't recording this whole time. I ain't gonna lie, it's kind of a risk driving out here in the snow right now. It's a lot of dickheads out here. It's a whole bunch of dickheads. I'm really happy with how the ambient lighting came out, man. So that means more night POV for y'all boys, man. Can you hurry up, gang? I don't want to do nothing outrageous just to get over in the right fucking lane. I ain't gonna lie, chat, I gotta get over in the right lane. And the way it's looking right now, these motherfuckers do not want me to get over. Hopefully ain't no cops in their feelings, bro. Oh my. Thank you, God, for these lights, man. I got the remote in here. I could probably switch the colors or something right now. Look at that. I could drive like this right now, chat. That's insane, ain't it? Like, look at that. Pause. We don't want no transmission, boy. Look at that shit. We can ride around with that green shit. That green tough, I ain't gonna lie. Oh my God, that red hit different though, man. I ain't gonna lie. Hey man, my camera about to die right now. So if I don't go out tonight, we gonna catch y'all boys in the next vlog, man. I was gonna make a whole video. Oh no, I got a little distracted, I ain't gonna lie, chat. But I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one.
Early the next morning.
YouTube, what is good with y'all, man? We back with another video. Hold on, listen to the car real quick. Oh my God. I'm on my way to go do some rollers right now. Oh my God, them Burble sound crazy right now. But as y'all can see, man, I got my whole interior changed around. We got some little ambient lighting in here and shit. I'm happy with the way it turned out, man. I had to change this part back to my stock one because the clip from the other one broke. But like I said, man, I'm happy with the way it came out. Now we could do some night POVs and shit, you know what I'm saying? Now the interior don't look so boring no more. This nigga just flashing all the water on my windshield, bro. What the fuck going on here? They was about to bang. Damn. Bro, gunning that bitch. Yo. You know how y'all boys liking that ambient lighting and shit though, man. Let me see what y'all boys can see right now. Yes, sir. And I also changed these out from black to red. I don't know if y'all noticed that. I gotta start filming the process of me doing car mods more, bro. I feel like I don't be doing that too much. How y'all boys feeling on this lovely day though, man? Let me know what y'all boys doing while y'all watching this video. Whatever you doing, put it down in the comments below. And if y'all new to the channel, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. We're on the way to 2K subs right now. Oh, I got a new lip on the car too. I gotta show y'all that. I know Bella and Kalani excited, man. They always ask me to go out and make rollers or just make content in general. So we excited for that. Oh my God. Damn, that big ass truck. Oh my God. Let me know if y'all boys been enjoying the vlogs I've been dropping. I've been trying to get as much content as possible for y'all boys. So, train track, don't test me right now, bro. I got a new lip on. Damn, it fucking stinks back here. Why did I come back here? The fuck? Shit smell like straight oil. And dookie. I know I was just here in my last vlog, so if one of y'all peeped that, I don't know what to tell y'all, man. If there's anything y'all boys recommend, any type of videos you want to see, like sound clips, flybys, any type of videos y'all want to see, man, put it down in the comments below. And I'll try to make them for y'all boys. You gotta pour. Hey man, let me chill out. I heard these cops down here be dick riding bad. Oh my God. I can't even push it. We're in a 25. No, y'all can still hear the car though. That shit sounds so good right now. I can hear all the turbos and shit. Do somebody live right here, or just like a building or something? That shit look like a house, chat. And we are here, man. Oh, and they got a little snow on the grass and shit right now. I don't know if I should park the car up and make some videos of the car first, or should I do rollers first? I don't know. Whichever one I do, I'm gonna put it up on the screen though. Got it in all 4 doors. You feel me? We got them back there too. And we still got the stars up there. Oh my God, this shit moving right now, chat. Hey man, if y'all boys enjoyed the vlog, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. I'm on my way to the crib right now. Probably gonna go out tonight and do a little night POV. I need to start doing night POVs more, man. What the fuck, was that a cop? Damn! This shit feel mad torquey right now, chat. Yeah, making it here before me, buddy. Well, yeah, man, as y'all boys can see, almost at the crib right now. I should go out and do a little night POV tonight, but I don't know where I'd drive to. Oh, free pulls. That nigga almost fucking. Yeah. But like I said, man, drop a like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna catch y'all boys in the next one, man.